While opening SolidWorks components from Vault, users get access to configurations. The add-in opens the file and activates the selected configuration immediately. This assembly runs 4 configurations, 2 single speaker variants for glued and another 2 for screwed mounting. Vault Professional captured the configurations and each bill of material during safe check-in. By assigning items to our part or assembly file, each configuration creates an individual item and item BOM. Users can navigate back and forth from models to item or item BOM. Alternatively, the very used view allows reviewing and managing a SolidWorks component file and its configurations at a single spot. From there, users easily can open additional windows to edit item data or to compare various configurations. Differences are highlighted, additions or removed positions, but also particular changes within single cells of the BOM table. Comparing historical with latest released revisions or current versions of work in progress state are major benefits. Finally, our Vault user completes the current task by handing over the complete family of configurations for review.